climber.
This is for $50,000. Government of Jamaica Adaptation Fund Program. Who can say that with me? Give yourself a clap, man. You did very well. All right, thank you.
The Government of Jamaica Adaptation Fund has taken the message of climate change to the Jamaican education system. In and outside of classrooms, in schools, and the targeted parishes, every effort has been made to build climate change awareness among the next generation of Jamaican leaders.
On behalf of the Government of Jamaica Adaptation Fund Program, we are very delighted to be here today to present Perth Town Academy with this check for $75,000 to assist the school to continue excelling. Congratulations and keep up the good work.
Thank you very much.
We are actually standing in the middle of a field, and you can see the drip irrigation system that we have set up. And thanks to the program, by the way, and the government for realizing the significance of including the schools in any effort at all to teach climate change. We have, over the last year and year and a half since the program was implemented, benefited strongly from it. Our students have and continue to reap the benefit of such a program. We also partner with another organization that discuss climate change, and we in our career day included an expo component that spoke to climate change, and that is how serious we are about it.
The Government of Jamaica Adaptation Fund program has impacted some 3,000 students in 16 rural schools. The program has also enhanced the school feeding and nutrition programs. The program has supported the school garden projects at several of the primary and secondary schools in some of the targeted farming communities with agricultural inputs and technical assistance. The program has also worked with the environmental clubs to influence the wider school population. At an early age, many of these students have been exposed to the rudiments of smart agriculture.
September is a rainy month. You're going to know so you can't plant certain crop in those times. You plant a crop that will more take the water.
Cheers, colleagues, 4-H boys and girls, sponsors.
Here at the National Achievement Day for Youth in Agriculture, staged by the 4-H clubs in Jamaica, students from rural farming communities flocked to the iconic Denby Agricultural Showgrounds. A popular stop for them is the GOJ Adaptation Fund booth for treats and tutorials on climate change adaptation.
Each of us has a role to play. We want to ensure that we are careful where we build in terms of dwellings, residences of dwelling, where we conduct our farming practices and how we conduct our farming practices, that we adhere to building codes and standards, that we just have that general awareness, how we dispose of our garbage, how we treat the environment in a general way, areas of issues of deforestation and the need to preserve our natural environment. And so it's an issue of both our natural and built environments, but just to be aware that we each have a role to play. We have to encourage the generations coming that they grow up with that awareness and that they are more sensitive to the issues.
Spreading the word of climate change adaptation among the youth population has been an important initiative of the GOJ Adaptation Fund program. In alignment with the Government of Jamaica's national goals for environmental sustainability, the program has sent clear messages on climate change adaptation and resilience to Jamaica's young people. It has equipped them with the knowledge to confront the major impacts of climate change in the near and not so distant future, and to assume their critical role as decision makers and implementers in a climate-aware Jamaican society.
We are the students of Fort Maran Primary and Junior High, and we do agriculture. Yay!